Hi, I'm Susan from Charm Salvage, and welcome to those that are new and to those that are returning. Thanks for your support. Today, we're going to do a flip through of a recipe journal. It is 3 signatures. It's a hardcover. It has a 2-inch spine and a tassel with some charms in there. We've got a fork, some beading, a spoon. I believe there's a knife in here as well. That could be removed if you wanted to, but it's technically made to be just a permanent tassel. So let's take a look on the inside. As I said, we have 3 signatures. We are a recipe-themed cookbook type journal. Got a pocket on the front. It is lined with paper. Got a bookmark. Just a piece of paper in there, a tag you could write something on. What I intend this for is for maybe like family recipes. You could keep track of those there. If you had any parties or anything, you could keep your list, your shopping list for that. Any photographs associated with that can also be kept in a junk journal. And you could write any notes about recipes, whether your family liked it, they didn't like it, what you could do different, that type of thing. That's what you would do with this recipe type junk journal. So first signature, I've got this scrapbooking paper that I used. It looks vintagey, and I do have a digital in here, and I can put the link for that digital below. But lots of places to keep track of things. I've included a lot of recipe cards. We have a pocket here with cards for recipes. Some more of that digital. I've got some stickers in here. This does have some embellished paper tags, paperclip tags. Recipe card. Just some ribbon on here. There is some stitching throughout this one. More of that vintage looking scrapbook paper. Here is an old ad from 1959 from a Kitchen Clatter magazine, and this is removable. Something fun to put in there. And we've got a page made out of a vintage cookbook paper. Made pockets on that as well. So we've got a pocket there and there. A tab. Another ad from Kitchen Clatter magazine from the 50s, and it's a corn stripper for $1.95. This is the middle spread of the journal to look like a place setting. 2 pockets here. Just a little flip up. More of that vintage recipe book. Got another embellished paper clip here. A little meal planner. A little tag there. Little pocket. Tuck spot. Another tuck spot. Some stamping. Another pocket. This closes. Put your recipes in there. Also a little donut charm. Tuck spot with a recipe card. We've got a flip out here. Another embellished paper clip. On to signature number 2. Pocket here with some papers for notes or recipes. Lots of places for photographs and notes. Another embellished paper clip. Pocket, doily, stamping. Recipe card. We've got a little tuck spot here. A spoon charm. Pocket. Another embellished paper clip. Grocery list. We've got a spread here with a beaded charm in the middle. Little belly band. Another pocket. Some more of that vintage paper that is on this envelope tuck spot. So this will hold a lot. We've got some recipe cards in there. Another little tuck pocket there. Some more of that weekly planner paper. Here are some vintage recipe cards done in a waterfall pattern. More of those vintage cards. Pocket. You've got your measuring equivalents here. And onto the final signature, number 3. So we've got double pockets here. And this also flips up. It does contain recipes on there that you could use. Little charm there, pocket. Pocket. This is removable. Little pocket here. The tag. Just got a page from an old magazine, Kitchen Clatter magazine, 1959. Some recipes. I like to include vintage things when I can in my journals. This one doesn't have a whole lot, but it does have some. Some more recipes. Pocket. Another spread here. We've got a couple of charms here. There's a little fork and a little spoon. These could be clipped off. You could make another tassel or use them in a spread or on a tag, whatever you'd like to do there. This probably isn't a journal for much embellishing. It's more for record keeping. Got a charm here, a little cupcake. Another double pocket. Pocket there. Pocket here. Some more recipe cards. Another embellished paper clip. Another paper clip. Pocket. Little tuck spot here. You've got a wine hint that some recipes on the back. Stamp there and a packet or a pocket on the back cover. If I can get that back in there, that would be good. I think I had too much coffee this morning. Okay, so there we have it. That is our flip through of our recipe style, cookbook style junk journal. I hope you enjoyed it. As always, if you like what you saw here today, I would appreciate it if you'd hit the like and subscribe button. Don't forget to leave me a comment, and we'll see you again next week. Bye.